because show me settings, me surroundings you are wondering say and I have an sister Sandy Akopi and then me the Ahosepe free bachelors and every show me chia oh say the environment is environmenting and everything is on point. Me need the sister son to be a guy, 2 times a guy, and he appear months so. Ya can't try say the Ahosepe nanti the very chrome. We are going to the people. Na makwaba wa ha say me director AB, me cinematographer OPD, and me producer. Mama wa kwaba shonkwen. Me ba kwen comfortable bi sana say day in and day out, I am more fan on Kwalebi, and Kwalama, I now man or more to say, or more he after Nsoromma. And there's this particular guy, the piano fancy Hamajin, a friend of Donald, that's someone, aka One Dog. Fabo. To say, Yami Adom, hey, why, Papa? And I woo you know, just like, why I tend to Busia, me banana after Nsoromma, and Kofi disappear, I say. But the Biana and Kofi have with you. Just a Sunday, Ubano way, One Dog, yes, One Dog, say really. And Kofi Pewasem, One Dog. I think say, sure, I'll be here on Nsoromma, so no. I just baby, as they say, no, will be here, Bisawase. Yeah. And tell me, say, I may chew a brew. Because the people love you. Baby, it's on the first of all, who is saying?
Environment near cool.
Environment near cool. A guy. I catch that is on farm lunch or Bachelor, some farm lunch or whatever.
Bachelor.
Fabo. Boza. Oh, I'm sure my year, okay.
Yeah, 2024.
2024?
Yep.
Hey, sir.
And I am 24.
2024? That was Nsoromma Plus.
No.
Nsoromma Nkasa. Over 20. Season 6. 24. Abusia, if you any doors will bring me. And so Obano, you're starting free the auditions. Oba then and they watch him.
Audition there. Like me bano, a pancake a crab.
Yeah, boom, mammy.
Pancake a crab, me do baby and me say, Sadio, my bida.
Okay.
Me thrown in film, and prove what
you have.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm a call room one be also I come and me drew am na me saw Mike.
That's right. So.
Yeah.
Right. Now ure am na wo hu ye no. Yeah. Then about him. Already over so now yem show ni ade.
Yeah. Me drew on am hu say eh as me hu superstar do am nim sometimes me say
eh.
Yes sister Sandy na ejina o. Say Javon ejina we na me hu say meet my baby. And yeah, me movie on, I made me here.
What's all Mike first and about you, then?
Me saw Mike first and I'm a drain. Then I'm a baby. What am I coming to do?
Wow.
And I'm Jina was our movie. What are you coming to do? Son, and I'm a drain, Juma, my dear bridges. And I'm a drain fast. And I'm say, I'm rather a fan. Tell us I'm a turning room bar.
You're a fan of Amrado?
Yeah.
And you can you out way?
Me talk with one answer that time.
To Kakamame. And Otonium way say, and oh, you know, me person me who process no. What's a old tunium we are all as an afro. And see, I'm afraid daddy, me boy.
Yeah.
And see, kind of show me that part.
Time I'm afraid. Like, what practice at time I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm be fine.
Oh, okay. You call me. You know, I'm going to do any number now. I'm going to say, you do fear, you bet your monka.
Okay.
See, that didn't make me fear. I say, come. Like, that didn't like I was searching for food.
Okay.
And my papa friend.
Okay.
Done. On my fro. Now I say, no more say on my foul. That didn't. Men did you?
I come not to cook. Nsoromma.
Yes, shrine.
That's Nsoromma for you. Just like, when I said the long case, I come and do. It's not feeling no. Oh, there's a feeling I know anything. There's a feeling I know anything.
Because now when you just say me some platform be to see.
It's Adom so.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not me
okay.
Oh,
look what we have here. Oh wow. Marcelos, I don't know. Maya no so hofe. Maya no. Where are there mango juice? Oh wow, beautiful. Well done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You know, I'm wearing and almost our juice is near there. Oba Marcelos, I say Mubenga Adom. Let me have a taste and tell you, okay? Okay, guys. Cheers. Wow. Wow, bacillus. This is so natural. No additives. Wow. One don't taste it, right? Because also will be a juice and not the shape fat. Way into side. Wow. Cheers, 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 cheers. Gee, wow. Bacillus for you. Get the free achimota more bacillus for and just come have your lunch. Back to Dawn. And our first performance.
Yeah.
That day,
Kofi Kinaata. That one, your Kofi Kinaata, your my father. Godfather, yeah. Indeed, Sam to a few kumala.
Thanks, as I knew the two social, so Kofi Kinaata posted it.
Yeah.
Big shout out to Kofi Kinaata of I know postie. And I said, boost you more. I said, hey, superstar, post me.
And no sound, yeah, your confidence, monsieur, meet me, baby.
Wow.
I'll do something.
Wow. No. It was an artist, and Kwalani Tonyum, I want show my Jumedi, so now share. That's also where I'm supposed to boost your moral. It's Kofi Kinaata, yeah, that's it, Now to the main show. What weeks, week after week, you are singing, week after week, you are singing. Sa, pa to finals. Now you're surprised how we call finals.
Very, very surprised because I was not expecting that because
wow.
Baby, I'm free. Any baby, I'm a baby.
One on train. Bacillus. Oh my God. Hi. Fear chichi na home na make I say BB bo. Ghana for mon sorry yo. Mundidi or bacillus or mon sorry yo. Wow. This is nice.
Wow, yeah.
Aish. That's all about fully loaded though. On that note, I was able to make her performance with Bana. Wow. Adom. Hey.
Yeah.
Yo binazo, yo binazo, yo binazo. Yo binazo, yo binazo. Yo adende.
Amusia, I may have a lunch. You're free. Achimota mall neighbor. Or more inside all the malls. We're still small, say. Or making actually a honey me told me jollof. Or more some jollof and grilled chicken me. And this is nice. What does it say? Make it will come one door. Until I was able to make fair bacillus or more delivery. Now, baby, I will be on delivering from 050-143-9432. 050-143-9430. One done. Let me be say, ayo one say would you finals?
Yeah.
Ayo one.
Yeah.
Because now go find your woman and wedding.
Hey, squad. Now first day I started showing and I say, hey, it's me send a
sausage no. Oh, kasana me need kasa.
Me way any send ya me other colleagues no. So na mo sing mo preach high na they say.
Who was your biggest threat? Why pan na who show no?
And so one no.
As a season, why na who show no?
Hey, Ohima Perez. Hey. Perez.
I didn't hear.
Oh, you're good. Perez, you're good.
Wow.
Or voice.
Wow.
Stage performance. Hey. Perez, you're good. Perez, you're good.
Wow.
So I don't know Miss Kakra, but still now meaning
Vim Yazo. Still Vim Day.
Yeah.
Now to the finals. D-Day. What perform Perez and not perform
me perform jam.
What perform jam. So which nature now a Drew Perez or so no. Then I now can Eugene.
Oh, what I said was my girl is going to perform. That's what I said.
Whoa, hey. Who was your best friend in the competition?
Best friend, Obofo.
Obofo?
Yeah.
And a man name?
A man.
Oh, and a man name?
Oh, Daria, mini best friend.
Nsoromma.
Yes, right.
Nsoromma.
Yes, right.
Adom TV.
Yeah, was yeah.
Badwam Ahosepe Jumedi senior was and the free mountain so and airball the free bacillus.
Yeah.
Achimota mall bacillus. I was here for all your lunch dates, for your meetings, for that executive meeting. Once the environment here very serene. What's it like to me It's a big shout out to my George, my director George, and I feel Mark Weber, Richmond, OPD. My saving is something because I piece and a major movie. Why? And I feel yebo boringness.
Okay.
And I unyai. Second position.
Yeah.
How did that make you feel?
Like, actually, I'm a chef first because of my fans. Because we say over stage now, one done, I was with the first. When the first day you real son, and I'm say, oh dear, Yami the baby biaye, and he said me did third crown bar, Yami. Right. I almost start say board.
Casamini,
Basilo said, third position here, Lee. And I mean, say, baby, I can't Kofi because Lee abandoned Kwame because Lee no 50,000 or that voting or that first. Okay. Obe share third on them say, Minya baby. Oh. To my bembu or honum that time now. Yes. So, Jerry just say, I can't say, the last man standing got the first runner up.
So now, so I remember Buntino. It is so big show, not Nsoromma season 8, and share the best so. No person yet to sell. A person also ban Nsoromma. Bonetofa in few words. Benefit of Nsoromma Baswa again, I will be person by season 8.
Nsoromma dear, 1 year, it gives you fame. So, like, who need fame be a crown, Nsoromma will give you a little fame. And I say, oh, Baswa, I also want work hard working, make you this one successful. So we are lazy, Sana. I don't think you get that position. Yeah. So you have to work hard. Right. Or say, okay. Oh, I know I'm Befa. Just that.
Befa. On that note, one done. It was good. It was good seeing you again. Fabo, must say where we are school? Where we are JSS?
Yep. Yes.
We see me banning that if Basilos, but for Basilos was 050-143-9432. We need his sister son to be a guy, Mark Weber, and a George, I'm a director, Richmond, Waha, OPD, Obana with the Afro hair, I'm a producer, AB, I'm a cinematographer, and a Sammy, a sound guy. I point to your favorite song I perform on Nsoromma. Toma many and fan porn.
Favorite song I'm performing.
Nsoromma so.
And yeah, I'm Rado.
So, Mamma Baslo said,
I'm fighting for my blessings.
Abusia. I said, then
Mr. Tino.
I don't know that. I'm a two and I'm in needy. Who told me needy? Tonama, I'm needy.
Okay. I'm fighting for my blessings. Minyo, be a mayor. Hey, sorry.
I'm meeting me and show me story. Yeah, cram on that note. Madam Perry, that. May the Basilos pizza no. Ebekra mo nyameja, nyamioba. Any crocodonano. Cheers. Bye for now.
Mon frère fier, ça rombe bébé mona. Mon camoriano, mais so me baga beba men pabo. I want better marina men. What yo eat? Mon frère mami ça rombe bébé mona. Mon camoriano, mais so me baga beba men pabo. I want better marina men. Ni apasa oba me yaseno na me frantoma. Ubo me di aya for any count. Baby this year, me baby this year. Ni apasa oba me yaseno na me frantoma.